Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving northwest on Montgomery Avenue towards Aldington Avenue. Turning onto Aldington Avenue. Aldington Avenue ends here, and we'll be turning left onto Hagley Park Road. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.